Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is episode 1 of my JavaScript tutorial series. So in this video we're going to be covering JavaScript variables and what they are and why we use them. So let's get started. So JavaScript variables, you can think of them like a box that holds information. So how you create variables in JavaScript is by typing var and then the name of your variable. So I'll just type name and then the assignment operator, which is equal. And this equal operator is different than the equal sign you use in math because this is assigning a variable to name. So it can be anything. It can be a number, a boolean, undefined, null, which is just nothing, and strings. Strings are just a collection of characters within a set of quotes. So I'm just going to set this name variable to my name, so Kenny. So now what I just did is I just assigned a string to this variable called name because I'm using this equal operator. But if I type 2 equals, then this is the same thing as what you would use in math. But since you're using just one, this is an assignment operator. So there's some pretty cool things you can do with JavaScript variables. You can use it to help you with math. So I can do var x equals 3. And then I can do var y equals 4, var b equals 5, and if I want to find the product of all three of those, I can just do console.log and do x times 4 times, not x times 4, x times y times b. So if we do this in our head, 5 times 4 is 20, 20 times 3 is 60. So if we check in our console, we should expect to see 60. And yep, we were right. It says 60 right here. And there's some other things you can do with variables. You can reassign it to a different value. So you can do, I'm going to create that same variable again. So var name equals Kenny. You can reassign it to var name. Just do name equals, how about Danny? So now if we do console.log name, it's going to say Danny, not Kenny anymore. And also, there's two other ways you can declare variables in JavaScript instead of just using var. There's const, which means you can't reassign it to a different value. So you can do const name equals Kenny. So now if I did name equals Bob, and then I did console.log name, we're going to get an error that says assignment to constant variable. So even our console is yelling at us, telling us that we can't do this. So const has to be constant. You cannot change the value of your variable. And let, it's sort of hard to explain, but it works sort of like var. So let name equals Kenny, and then name equals Danny. I'm just gonna reassign it like that. Oh, we forgot to do console.log name, and now we should get Danny. Yep. And this is it for the video. I hope this was easy for you guys to understand. If you were able to learn something new from this video, make sure to subscribe and like, and go check out my other videos. And other than that, I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you again in my next video.